Alright, let's see what else we got. Bike stripper. eBay bike stripper. Let's see what I bought this time. I don't like bike strippers, but I buy a lot of crap from them. Still don't like them though. Destroying a bunch of good bikes, I don't like that. Let's see what we bought. Old shit. Bunch of 45 crap, looks like. Those are clutch cables there. Ooh, 45 clutch cables, 3 junk ones. Alright. I can see that by looking at them, junk. Okay, so what do we got here? Oh, look at that butchered piece of crap that is. Where's my white at? Here we go. Someone went to town on cutting that thing out. Oh, they cut that all over there, that's for sure. Nice. Junko. Look at the cable they put in that thing, jeez. I don't know what the hell that thing is. That one's crap. This one's broken. This one's still here. Oh, look at the cable, how thin that thing is. That's not stock. No, that's not stock. This is actually stock one here. So we only got this one here for any value. And it's a 3-bolt one, which is usually on the trike. It's probably broken somewhere else. No, it's still good. Okay, that's a good one there. That's the only one that's worth the crap. The other two are garbage. Those are junk. The other ones. Alright. Cut on that side, you still got a usable zip tie for something else. That's still a good part. Okay, so this one, they butchered it. And they put the wrong cable in it. That's pure junk. Okay, this one here, it's got way too small of a cable in here. And this is solo, early one, because it's only got 2 bolts. That's good. And this is our 3-bolt one that's actually usable. Well used, but usable. Alright, there you go. Alright, interruptions, damn people. Okay, so they went to a 3-bolt like this on trikes, and I think they did on the solos in post-war, like 47, they started doing that. All your pre-war stuff and during the war had a 2-bolt design like this on it. So this is your earlier one, this is your later one. So this one's a piece of crap. So this one here can be rebuilt by putting a new cable in here. You have to make everything though, that's the problem. But this has still got good park rising on it, still looks nice. That's something you can actually restore. This one's alright for a later bike, but it's this one's usable the way it is. It's well worn like most of them, but usable. So that's good for a later bike. This one here needs restoration, and this one here is just garbage. So you gotta buy 3 of them to get one decent one, as usual. So anyway, there you go. That's what those all are.